you ever looked in the mirror and felt like your skin tells a story you didn't choose? Those dark spots, reminders of sun, blemishes, or time, can really affect our confidence. That's why I created Glownest, a space to nurture your skin and self-esteem with natural, science-backed solutions. Let's start by understanding why dark spots appear, because knowledge is the first step to healing. Then I'll share my favorite natural remedies to help you achieve the clear, glowing complexion you deserve. Aloe vera is a succulent superhero for your skin. This humble plant, with its thick, fleshy leaves, has been cherished for centuries in traditional medicine and beauty rituals around the world. Its clear, cooling gel is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that work wonders for your complexion. Thanks to a compound called allicin, aloe vera helps reduce melanin production, which means it can gradually fade dark spots and even out your skin tone. It's a gentle, natural way to brighten your complexion without harsh chemicals. Aloe also soothes irritation, calms redness, and locks in moisture for a plump, healthy look. If your skin feels dry, sensitive, or inflamed, aloe's cooling properties can bring instant relief and help your skin recover faster. To use, simply apply a thin layer of pure aloe vera gel directly to your dark spots after cleansing. Gently massage it in and let it absorb fully. No need to rinse off. This easy step fits right into any skincare routine. You can do this in the morning to start your day fresh, or at night to let aloe work its magic while you sleep. Consistency is key for best results. For an extra boost, mix in a little vitamin E oil, another powerful antioxidant that helps fade spots, supports skin repair, and keeps your skin supple and youthful. This combo is especially great for stubborn pigmentation. Remember, always check for pure ingredients. Choose products with minimal additives for the best results. With aloe vera, you get a simple, gentle, and effective solution for brighter, healthier skin, straight from nature. Lemons are more than just a kitchen staple. They're a powerhouse for your skin. Packed with vitamin C, a potent antioxidant, lemons help fight free radicals and support your skin's natural renewal process. This means they can help fade dark spots, reduce dullness, and give your complexion a fresh, radiant glow. Vitamin C is well known for its ability to brighten and even out skin tone, making it a favorite ingredient in many skincare routines. With regular use, you may notice your skin looking more luminous and healthy. However, lemon juice on its own can be a bit harsh, especially for sensitive skin. That's why it's best to pair it with honey. Honey is a natural humectant, which means it draws moisture into the skin, keeping it soft and hydrated. It also has soothing and antibacterial properties, making it perfect for calming irritation. To create this brightening mask, simply mix equal parts of fresh lemon juice and raw honey in a small bowl. Stir until you have a smooth golden mixture. Gently apply a thin layer of the mixture directly onto your dark spots or areas of uneven skin tone. You can use your fingertips or a clean cotton swab for precise application. Allow the mask to sit for 10 to 15 minutes, giving the ingredients time to work their magic. Relax and let your skin soak up the benefits. Afterward, rinse your face thoroughly with lukewarm water to remove the mask. Pat your skin dry with a soft towel. Remember, lemon juice can make your skin more sensitive to sunlight, so it's crucial to apply sunscreen before heading outdoors. This step helps protect your skin and maintain your results. Used together, lemon and honey gently exfoliate, nourish, and revitalize your skin, revealing a brighter, more even complexion over time. Always choose high-quality, fresh ingredients for the best results. Your skin will thank you for the extra care. Green tea isn't just for sipping. It's a powerhouse ingredient for your skin, thanks to its high concentration of EGCG. This potent antioxidant not only helps to inhibit melanin production, which can lead to a brighter, more even complexion, but it also works to protect your skin from environmental stressors like pollution and UV rays. By incorporating green tea into your routine, you're giving your skin a natural boost that goes far beyond what you might expect from a simple beverage. EGCG is especially beneficial for those with sensitive or reactive skin. It calms redness, soothes irritation, and helps reduce inflammation, making it a gentle yet effective solution for anyone dealing with flare-ups or discomfort. If your skin often feels stressed or looks flushed, green tea can be a game changer in your daily regimen. To harness these benefits at home, simply steep a green tea bag in hot water. Let it cool completely, and then use a cotton pad to gently sweep the liquid over your face as a refreshing toner. This easy DIY method delivers antioxidants directly to your skin, helping to soothe and revitalize with every application. For an extra boost of hydration and soothing power, try mixing cooled green tea with a bit of aloe vera gel. This combination creates a calming, moisture-rich mask that can be applied to your face for 10 to 15 minutes, leaving your skin feeling soft, refreshed, and deeply nourished. If DIY isn't your style, look for skincare products that feature green tea extract as a key ingredient. These products harness the same antioxidant magic, offering protection and radiance in a convenient, ready-to-use form. Whether you're making your own treatments or choosing products off the shelf, green tea brings a touch of spa luxury to your daily routine. Embrace the antioxidant magic and let your skin glow with health and vitality. Potatoes might surprise you. They contain catecholase, an enzyme that helps fade dark spots by reducing melanin. They're also rich in vitamin C and antioxidants to brighten and protect your skin. Grate a raw potato, extract the juice, and apply it to dark spots with a cotton pad. Leave on for 15-20 minutes, then rinse. Use once or twice daily for best results. Sometimes the best remedies are right in your kitchen. Turmeric's curcumin is a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant that helps fade dark spots. Pair it with yogurt, which contains lactic acid, to gently exfoliate and brighten. Mix 1 teaspoon turmeric with 2 tablespoons plain yogurt for a glow-boosting mask. Apply, leave for 15-20 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water. Use once or twice a week. Add a drop of rose water for extra luxury and calm. Simple, natural, and effective. Fading dark spots means nothing without sun protection. UV rays are a top cause of hyperpigmentation. Make sunscreen your daily habit, broad spectrum, SPF 30 or higher every day, rain or shine. Reapply every 2 hours, especially after swimming or sweating. Protect your progress and prevent new spots from forming. Natural remedies take time. Trust the process and be patient with your skin. Start with one remedy and stick with it. Celebrate every bit of progress, no matter how small. This journey is about self-love and confidence. If you found this helpful, share it with a friend and help build our glowing community. Don't forget to subscribe for more natural skincare tips.